Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best levitating planters for indoor plants available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have DeElf Planter for indoor plants. These 6" flower pots were made of hard and thick plastic that is durable and can be last for a long time. It's hard for you to break these 6" plastic plant pots. You can use DeElf 6" white planters as gift to people who love your indoor plants. Your plant can breathe through the bottom of these 6" flower pots with drainage, and water is able to come out at the bottom of these 6" orchid plant pots. These succulent flower pots are 6" on top so that you can start your nursery plants or use them for orchid herbs cactus. Then you can place these 6" round planters in dining room, living room, kitchen or porch to create a green living area. At number 5 we have Mr. Stacky Planter for indoor plants. The planter is great for growing strawberries, herbs, succulents, flowers, peppers and much more in a small amount of space. It is water from the top, and with the flow-through design you will not need to worry about overwatering or root rot. If indoors, the bottom drip tray will catch any mess from occurring after a watering. The product is also extremely versatile with the option to hang or freestand. Also, you could break the 5 layers into 2 separate planters, having a mini 2-tier herb garden and 3-tier strawberry planter. At number 4 we have Amkono Planter for indoor plants. Minimalist round design with a smooth finish texture surface creates a distinctive modern-inspired look and arts feel. The hanging ceramic planters offers a simple but chic way to display your lovely plants such as ivy, herbs, ferns, philodendron, succulent flowers or other plants. This ceramic hanging basket planter is a great gift idea for a plant lover, elevates the room and accentuates the beauty of their houseplants. Each ceramic hanging pot featured with its own drill hole to avoid water accumulation and help you prolong the life of your precious plants. Also comes with a detachable rubber plug to install to keep the dirt inside if you need. At number 3 we have Chive Planter for indoor plants. The bonus with the Chive Minute Pots is that Chive brings a super cool aesthetic to your practical plant pot. You need to get yourself a plant. I tend towards succulents because succulents rule. This Chive's fresh new school designs are original, dynamic and committed to showcasing the very best in nature-inspired style. You can show off stunning floral arrangements with the range of decorative pots and planters available in a variety of shapes, colors and functionalities. At number 2 we have Monarch Planter for indoor plants. The planter is handcrafted by skills artisans, with each planter uniquely hand-hammered, that providing rich texture. The planter is made of metal and features high-quality powder coating providing protection against UV rays. So the color will not fade and is rust-resistant as well as rot-resistant, so your planter will last you for years to come. At number 1 we have CNYK Gel Planter for indoor plants. These terracotta pots comes with 3 stubby feet from the bottom to hold up each indoor planters. The clay pots come with a drainage hole at the bottom, allows easy drainage and easy to clean. The size of the small planter is 7.8 by 7.8 centimeters and the size of the medium one is 11.5 by 12.5 centimeters. The size of the large planter is 16 by 16.5 centimeters and the size of the extra large one is 20 by 21 cm. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best levitating planters for indoor plants for your need.